Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and yes, you saw it right. There are 3 days left. 3 days left before Crypto.com announces the Loaded Lions main city, and it goes live. The first crypto exchange to come out with their own game of this caliber. Let's explore this a little bit. Also, let's look at some of the developments that have gone on. I actually got an offer on my Loaded Lion NFT last night. Am I going to accept it or am I going to reject it? Let's talk about some of the excitement I'm seeing going on as we lead up to this game launch. If we're going to see a pump with this game launch, because guys, there's 3 days left, and in these next 3 days, it's going to be very interesting to watch the NFT landscape for Crypto.com to see what the sentiment is as this game is ready to launch, guys. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, and we are doing a lot of giveaways for loyal members and subscribers on the channel, so make sure you do not miss out on that. Bitcoin stuck at $26,000, Ethereum at $16.50, and the price of Cronos is currently still at 5.1 cents, which it's just been at for the last, feels like 10,000 years, guys, but a bull market's not coming yet. We're just prepping up for it. But let's look at this really quick. So in 3 days, Crypto.com's launching their own game, but, you know, on Crypto.com's price website, they have their own market tracking website, like a coin market cap, but Crypto.com's coin market cap, if you will. You can look at all the different categories here, and they broke it down very, very nicely. You can even see in GameFi the different games they have. Axie Infinity is one of the largest out there. Sandbox is growing in popularity. Legends Reborn, Illuvium's a big one as well. That has its own token as well, the Illuvium token. So there's a lot of different games out there, but what there isn't is a major crypto exchange launching its own game until now, because in just 3 short days, Crypto.com is launching the main city game. Here's the trailer. You can see it. We've talked quite a bit about it on the game. I've got 69 Crypto.com NFTs myself. About 20 of them are the lands. And then a lot of other things. I got backpacks, Explorer packs as well. I got a lot of Explorer packs. I got a couple Loaded Lions, and I have a couple Cyber Cubs, and I've got a Crossmonaut. I've got a Board Candy NFT as well from the Board Candy collection. So I've got a couple different NFTs, and I think I got 1 or 2 more, maybe it's called Nazuki. No, maybe it's not Nazuki. I've got a couple different ones that, you know, I'm just going to kind of hold on to, because I do believe that Crypto.com is making a big push towards NFTs, towards gamification on the Cronos chain. And I think it's going to be very significant, not only for attracting new people to this community, but helping the price action for Crow. Now, as for the NFTs, how are those doing? Well, the Loaded Lions are actually looking really cheap, cheaper than I've seen them. Like in the history, I think the average price is like 1.8K floor. And so the floor price is way down. Now, yesterday, I actually got an offer on my NFT, okay? And I have a Loaded Lion that I've shared with you guys on some previous... Actually, let me show it to you really quickly. So on my Twitter or my X app, maybe, this is my Loaded Lion. He's got a Crypto.com helmet, and he's got a suit. Now, those are 2, not like extremely rare traits, but they are more rare traits. And so when you look at let's say a Viking helmet, Crypto.com Loaded Lion NFT, the floor price on these is $1,400. Now, I got a actual offer on my Loaded Lion with a Viking helmet yesterday for $1,600. But is that a good deal? In my opinion, no. I think it's a terrible deal, because right now, these floor prices are way, way down. I bought mine for about $4,000, so I'm not taking a loss on it. As a matter of fact, you know, if I have more disposable money and disposable income, I'd be looking to sweep the floor on these, because at one point, guys, you know, these Loaded Lions were like the lions with the helmets. You couldn't find one below $3,000, and that was only like 2 short months ago. So these Loaded Lion prices are coming down, but the fact that I got an offer shows that people are trying to swoop them up. Now, maybe somebody's just trying to swoop mine up because I made a little tweet about it recently, and maybe people are thinking, you know, that maybe you get an influencer's line. I don't know why I got an offer per se. I haven't gotten a lot of offers on my line, but maybe people are just looking at these Loaded Lions and saying, hey, These floor prices are low, and it's in a time to accumulate. As for the land's going up a little bit. The floor price on the land yesterday, the lowest price one was $63. Today, there's a one for 59, 60, 62, but then quite a few listed at 63, and they kind of go up from there. So it seems like more and more people are buying just an entry level Crypto.com land NFT. As for the blockchain, the most rare piece of land there is, those are way down right now in floor price. The floor on these was pretty much $4,000 for a while. Now it's down to like 3,100, quite a few listed under 4K. But then after you go into 4K, you can see clearly they start getting listed much, much higher. So there's a lot of holders of these that are just marking them up to 50K. We're going to have to see how all this plays out, guys, but there are 3 days left. It's going to be very, very interesting to watch the price on the NFTs. As for the price action on CRO coin, it's stuck. It's just totally stuck right here. I still anticipate we break down possibly to 3 cents. CRO versus Bitcoin is holding decently strong. But guys, let's just see. 3 days more to go. I got an offer. I'm not accepting my offer. I'm holding my loaded lion forever, or unless I make $100,000 on this loaded lion, I'm not selling it. I'm just going to stick to it. Support the CRO fam, support the Crypto.com community and the NFTs they got going on. I'll be flipping some of my land. I'll be flipping some of my other NFTs that I have because I have so many of them. But in the meantime, I think it's an accumulation opportunity. I think it's awesome that Crypto.com is launching their own game, and I think it could help some of the price action for CRO. But we got to keep an eye on Bitcoin, wait for the FOMC meeting to come out, and get past some of that volatility. So let me know what your thoughts are on the Crypto.com game, the NFTs as well, in the comments down below. How are you feeling, guys? That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA and HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. We'll see you next time. Peace.